So good morning everyone. So coming to the today's class, I'm been going to be start about the LWC part under the LWC. So first of all, there is some prerequisite related to HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let me try to discuss some of the topics related to HTML, CSS and JavaScript later on. I'm going to convey about LWC. Here anyone have any idea on HTML? Anyone have any idea on HTML? No worries, please convey your ideas, whatever you have.
No, Venkat, I'm not acquainted to HTML.
Okay, fine. No worries, no worries. I can teach it. Yeah. What about Michael and Pavani? Vinila? Hi, Vinila. Good morning. Hi, Vinila. Good morning. Hi, Pavani. Good
Hi,
morning.
hi Venkat. Good
Yes.
morning. Sorry, I just wake up.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
You
Good
have
morning,
some
sir.
idea on. Good morning, Pavani. You have any idea on HTML? Anyone? Anyone have some little bit idea on HTML? No worries. I'll teach it. Yeah. Just normal. I'm asking. Okay. I'll teach. I'll teach it. So first of all, I'm opening the notepad. I'll teach it everything, whatever it may be related to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I hope my screen is sharing. So first of all, okay, to learning LWC. Okay, before learning LWC, so I'm teaching HTML and CSS and JavaScript. We don't need to go to advanced level. Only some other things have been required for learning HTML. For learning in LWC, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, let me try to design some of the information related to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript today and tomorrow. Okay, later on we'll start with LWC and we'll continue for the LWC classes. First of all, so what is HTML? HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. Okay, hypertext markup language. Mainly it is used to, it describes the structure of the web page. So either any of the programming, either any of the language, whatever it may be UI programming language, the main root has been came from HTML only. Okay, the main root has been came from HTML only. Okay, describe the structure of the web pages. Okay, it tells the browser that how to display the content. How to display the content. First of all, how it will be indicated. How it will be indicated and what are the tools you needed. Okay, what are the tools you needed for this? Tools for development of this. Like we need Chrome. Okay, and also you need Visual Studio Code. And also you need Live Server. Under Visual Studio Code, under VS Code. Okay, then you can develop the coding architecture, whatever it may be. There are, so first of all, how to install the Visual Studio Code. Let us see how to install the Visual Studio Code. Everyone able to see my screen? Okay, I'm copying this Visual Studio Code. I'm sending the link to you, everyone. Yeah, even in the I'll share the notepad file also. Vanilla, yesterday our team had been given you access the recording the videos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm clicking on the download Windows 10, 11, 12, something 10, 11. So click on download option. Click on download. I'm not teaching LWC, just I'm continuing with HTML. Okay, and later on CSS and JavaScript. These are some of the prerequisite. So whenever you learn these particular things, means you'll get some some without learning this also you can easily navigate. But if you learn this, means you have some easily you can understand the coding architecture as comparing without learning this. That is the reason. Clicking on download. I hope it is downloading or what. Let me check it. Anyone not joined with your systems?
Yes,
Anyone
Venkat.
joined with your system? Okay,
Yes,
like
Venkat.
once please share your screen and please download it. Yeah, I'll show you. I had been installed it. I think I had configured, that's why it is not showing this icon. Okay, I think who is the person? Swati. You
Yeah,
joined?
Venkat. Yes, I have
I'm giving
joined.
access. Okay, I'm giving the presenter access.
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay, once please share your screen
Yeah,
and download it. Yeah, I provided the link also.
yeah. Just a moment.
Yeah, it is downloading. It is downloading. I'm sharing
Okay,
my screen.
okay.
Okay, you can able to see my downloads. Visual Stored setup.exe file. Okay, it is 94 point MB. Yeah, it is downloading. Yeah, it has been downloaded successfully. Click on show in folder. Okay, go to downloads. Yeah, even you can navigate to here. Okay, just you need to click on this. Click on this. You need to click next, 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 and after that you need to configure the Visual Studio Code, whatever it may be, which has been running. Yeah, it is showing some another instance. Everyone able to see. Please close instance. Cancel. Cancel. Because I'm been running this. Let me try to close this. Okay. I'm clicking on this icon. When you clicked on this particular icon, it is highlighting here. Yeah, the setup from the setup whatever it may be, it is highlighting. Yes. Okay, just you need to mention I accept the agreement. Click on next. Okay, click on next. So click on install button. Okay, for me I installed previously. That's why I'm clicking on cancel. Yeah. For you, you need to click on install button. No. Okay, just I need to, after that you need to open from the desktop, search for Visual Studio Code. You can able to see the Visual Studio Code. Click on open Visual Studio Code. I'm opening the Visual Studio Code, whatever it may be. Yes, this is the configuration you can able to see. After clicking on install, you can go to the desktop. Everyone understood the installation process, whatever I'm showing?
Yes,
Installation
Venkat.
process.
Yeah, Venkat.
Shreyas,
So,
yeah, okay. Shreyas, are you understanding? LWC is very important, Shreyas, that's it.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, this is the thing which we got. First, you need to install the live server. How to install the live server? Everyone able to see the left side. So there is some extension, something is there lost. For LWC, there is a different in the Visual Studio Code. We'll do it, and also we have another extension also to do these particular tasks. But normally here we are dealing with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is not responding. I hope so. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Keep waiting. Okay, let us discuss some information in between. So how the here like the indications are used to be going to be happen. So it is starting with HTML and ending with slash. Every starting tag has an ending tag for LWC. Okay, but for HTML there is not like that. Okay, so inside this, just normally I need to mention the title, my first HTML. Okay, inside the body, you need to write all the code, whatever it may be, as per the requirements. Inside the body, you need to write all the requirements. I'll compare LWC with HTML. Okay, but in HTML, in LWC, how you need to write? You need to write template/template. Okay, inside this, you need to write the code. Instead of HTML, you need to write template. Yeah, in LWC. Yes. Okay, here I'm opening these extensions. Okay, everyone able to see it. I think search for Go Live Server. Yeah, it is there, live server. Please install this live server. Okay, I'm opening it. Wait for 1 minute. It is working slowly. Everyone able to see it live server? Disable and uninstall. Take the screenshot if required. Everyone, please install this. Okay, search for live server and install this. For me, I uninstalled previously. That's why installed previously. That's it is showing disable and uninstall option. Live server. So kindly please install this live server. Yeah, now go to desktop. Now go to desktop. Today the laptop is working slowly, too slowly. So I'm navigating to the desktop. Okay, I'm creating one folder. The folder name is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, I'm creating one folder. The folder name is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So clicking on new, click on folder, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yes, I created folder. This is the folder I created. Okay, you need to navigate to the Explorer. Click on Open Folder. Click on File. Okay, click on Open Folder. Let me try to open the folder whatever which I had been created from the desktop. Navigate to desktop. Okay, select this and click on Select Folder. Everyone able to understand what I'm explaining? Hello?
Yes,
Everyone
Yeah,
is
Venkat.
clear
Venkat.
still now? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm creating a file. In LWC, the things are different. Okay. Just we are learning HTML. Okay. I'm creating page, my first page. Okay. .html. I'm creating page, which is nothing but .html. Like this. But in LWC, automatically HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will be created. Okay. Here the case is different. Only we are learning different cases here. Okay. My first page is .html. Here let's write some coding architecture related to HTML. I'm copying this code and let me try to paste here. Okay, just I had been, or you can create a code from here. Okay, start tag and as well as end tag. See, every start tag has an end tag, head, title, and we have body. Like this. Okay, click on go live option. Whenever you clicked on, so previously installed the server, if you clicked on go live, immediately you can see the output. In LWC, you can see the output under Salesforce. You need to connect to Visual Studio Code with Salesforce. It may take some time. In between, let us start with the tags, some of the tags which are presented. Okay, then I'll explore the things. Only some of the tags will be differentiated. Okay, some of the tags will be same. Okay, so it is used for division of an HTML element. It is used to divide the elements. Okay, like p tag, it is used to represent paragraph. It represents the paragraphs. Just to show any content, we'll use this. Okay, like we have h1 to h6. It is used to highlight the data. Okay, it is used for headings. And we have img tag. Okay, it is used to represent images. It represents the images. And so to represent any URL, okay, to represent any URL, we'll use like this. Let us display, let us go and explore. So just normally I'm mentioning welcome to welcome to our page. Just I'm clicking Control S. Control S means it will be saved. Everyone able to see in case if it takes, try to close the browser. I think I opened this. Or you can copy this information. Copy path. Okay, you can go to Chrome. I copied the path. If you clicked on this, immediately it will navigate to the external server. Everyone able to see the highlighted data I'm getting welcome to my our page. Everyone able to see output?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah. Okay, just I'm printing welcome to our page. Let me try to, if it's a paragraph. In LWC also some tags will be same, only some tags will be differentiated. Okay, this is paragraph. Okay, I'm clicking on Control S. Okay, if you refresh your screen, you'll get the updated data. See. Okay, like I can represent some headings also. Because I'm starting with very basic, that's why I'm starting with these things. Let me go forwarded one by one. Like we have H1. This is heading 1. Okay, this is heading 2. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. So this is heading 3. Just I'm saving this data. Everyone able to see? Okay, just click to close server. Okay, immediately everyone able to see the go live option. Go live. Please see it because everyone after completion of the class need to practice. Everyone able to see this option. Go live under
Yeah.
top
Yes,
under
Venkat.
I mean the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, bottom right side. Click on go live. Immediately it will be connected to the Internet Explorer or the Chrome, whatever it may be, like this. If I done any information here, automatically it has been updated there. Okay, for example, I want to represent img tag. In LWC, it is different. In LWC also, we are using img tag. Okay, we are uploading to the backend. After that, we are using img tag to represent it. In future classes, let me try to show that example also. Pixum dot photos slash 200 slash 300. Just I'm showing the images. Why it is not loading? Yeah, everyone able to see the image? Out of 300 images, 200 images have been loaded one by one. Yeah, like this. Because I used a pixel art, but in LWC, it is not displayed dynamically like this. Okay, we'll upload the images. Okay, by using img tag, we'll represent images. Yes, like this. Just I'm uploading, I uploaded the image by using img tag. Okay, when you clicked on this particular Infosys, immediately you'll navigate to infosys.com. Yeah, when you clicked on this particular link, immediately you'll navigate to infosys.com. Okay, you can click on because I told you slash href, immediately you'll navigate to Infosys. So you need to click on Control S to save the updated data. Whenever if you save the data means updated data will be printed without loading the screen. That's why go live option is been there. So see, it is exploring. Now it is saved. Okay, you can. Yes, everyone able to see the Infosys option. Immediately if we click on open link in new tab, immediately you can open the Infosys. I have been redirected to the Infosys page. This is the thing. Anyone have any queries till now what I'm discussing? Anyone have any queries? Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat. No doubt still now.
Yeah. I think everyone able to see. Let me try to show the lightning data. Like in our future classes, yesterday also I shown the things. Okay, in our future classes, we are going to be teach each and everything in a practical manner. Okay, for example, if I want to discuss rising stars. Okay, to design the tables in a structured format. Okay, today, so here we are using table tag. Okay, in LWC we are using lightning hyphen data table tag in LWC, but here we are using table tag. There are some differences are there. Okay, we are using lightning hyphen data table tag. If you remember in which scenario you need to implement which things, you can easily implement real-time scenarios or whatever it may be, anything. I want to load the data like this. In future class I'll show you. I think it, yeah, like this. Load the data from the back end and to represent under the front end. Let us see here. Okay, in HTML how to represent, but in HTML it is not that much a structured format as comparing to LWC. So I'm using table. So every table has some columns. Okay, every table has some columns. So company country, continent. Okay, every table has some columns. Okay, every table has some columns. I'm representing the columns. Inside that particular column, every table has some values. Okay, I'm representing the values. Okay, so I'm representing with TD. Okay, I'm representing the values one by one. If you want to see the updated output, but here like it is not in that much a structured format as comparing to LWC. Is everyone able to see the data? Is it in a structured format as like LWC? Is it in a structured format? Just normally it is representing in a table format, but not that much a structured format. Everyone is listening the things. Everyone, Vinila,
Yes.
Mohammed.
Yes,
Yes,
Venkat.
Venkat.
Yeah.
Yes,
Just I'm comparing. I'm comparing
Yeah.
LWC with HTML. Shreyas, are you understanding?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay. Okay, like so we have HTML lists, like we have ordered lists and unordered lists. Okay, like we have two types of lists. Okay, we have two types of lists. Okay, we have two types of lists, ordered lists and unordered lists. Okay, so we have two types of list, ordered list and unordered list. Let us see this. Okay, what is ordered list and what is unordered list? In interviews, they will not ask you this type of question. I'll tell you which type of questions will be asked in the interviews. Okay, it is nothing but unordered list. Unordered list, like I'm mentioning, tea, coffee. Okay, and also I'm mentioning the milk. Okay, tea, coffee, and milk. It is, and let me try to mention ordered list also. Okay, how it will be differentiated? How it will be differentiated? You can able to understand if you see the so like as like previous. Okay, like just by seeing the code you can understand fully. But here now, okay, like when you see in the output, okay, when you see in the output, then only you can understand 100%. Only when you see in the code you can understand 50%. When you see in the output you can understand 100%. Everyone able to see if it's a UL tag. Okay, it is been represented in the bullet format. Everyone able to see, for example, if it's a OL tag. Okay, it is been representing in like Roman numbers. Everyone able to see this?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, if it's a UL tag, it has been represented in like a bullet format. If it's a OL tag, it has been represented in number format. This is the thing. So we have HTML forms. So like I told you, like previously also, like for example, if you go to bank, okay, or if you want to take some insurance. So Ati, for example, if you want to take some insurance, okay, like you are going to the sales agent near to you. Okay, they are filling your details are not related to your personal details and related to your account details, contact details, and they
Yeah.
are uploading your Aadhaar, PAN, each and everything. Okay, there
Yeah.
are some inputs. Okay, like there are some inputs. There are some inputs. Input type is equal to text like that. Okay, I need to create some input boxes. I need to create input boxes. Okay, if I click on say submit, okay, the data will be submitted. How to create this type of input boxes? Okay, in LWC we'll use lightning hyphen input to represent this type of inputs. And in LWC, no need to give the break tags in between every time. But in HTML, we need to give break tags to break each and every input elements. Like this, I need to represent. Lightning input type is equal to text. Okay, label is equal to enter the name. Okay, like this you can enter. But in HTML, it should be referentiated something. It may take some complex here. Okay, the first name. Okay, just I'm breaking. And also we have last name. Yes, everyone able to see? So I am giving some break tag to break this particular first name to last name. But in LWC, no need to give the break tags like this. In LWC, here we need to give the break. Everyone able to see the boxes first name, last name?
Yeah.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, Venkat.
But
Yes,
I'm
Venkat.
saying again, in LWC, it should be somewhat like a bit easy, and also the things makes some attractive also as comparing to HTML. So we are giving some radio buttons. Okay, just radio buttons label. The first one is HTML. Okay, so radio buttons means anyone know about radio buttons? Radio buttons. You need to give like this. This is the thing, radio buttons. Male, female, like that we'll get some selections. Yeah. HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Yes, everyone able to see? So we are getting some tags like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Radio buttons. This is radio buttons. And check boxes. Okay, you need to indicate like this. Okay, check boxes means you can select multiple elements. Radio buttons means you can select only one element. Okay, for example, if it's a checkboxes, you'll create lightning input type is equal to checkbox. Like this. Okay, like I'm been designing checkboxes. I'm giving break. I'm mentioning input type is equal to checkbox. Just I'm giving the label vehicle 1. I'm copying this and vehicle 2. I'm mentioning each and everything. Vehicle 2, vehicle 3, vehicle 4. Okay, I'm clicking Ctrl S. Yes, everyone able to see the tags HTML checkboxes? Am I audible to everyone? Everyone is understanding what I'm designing?
Yes, Venkat.
Is it somewhat difficult? Anyone are facing difficult? I think today is your first class. You'll get some familiarity. Mohammed, Shreyas, Vinila, are you facing any difficulties? Michael,
No,
Pavni,
Venkat.
everything is okay?
Yeah, Venkat.
Yes.
Okay. This is our first class now. Like we'll go slowly. Yeah, then we can understand. Like anyone know the drop down? Like for example, if it's a rating is used to show like hot, warm, and cold, industry, agriculture, finance, like this. Anyone know this drop down? Anyone have, like, anyone previously seen the drop downs? Like whenever you're filling any applications, okay, you can see this drop down. Okay, like in LWC we can use lightning hyphen combo box. I cannot completely understand. Okay, like to remember all these tags in the starting class, it's very difficult. But later on, when we are teaching all the tags one by one, then you can get some idea. Okay, no worries. Later on when you're like when I'm teaching all the things, then you'll get some familiarity on each and everything. Yeah, because this is our starting class. Okay, I'm giving the break tag. Okay, I'm mentioning label. Choose a car. Okay, just I'm selecting the value. Okay, like what are the different types of car companies? Volvo, Tata Motors, Toyota. Okay, I'm clicking on Control S. Control S. Yes, everyone able to see it? Drop down like this. Okay, even you can create a buttons also. Okay, you can create a buttons also. Okay, you can create a buttons also. Like in LWC, so we had different types of buttons. Okay, you can go to account. Okay, you can click on new. You can create a buttons like this. You can create a buttons like this. Yes, it is possible. Okay, in LWC, we'll use lightning hyphen button tag. But here it should be different. You need to use a button tag. Inside the button tag, I'm mentioning type is equal to button. On click of this particular button, immediately one alert message is used to be shown. Hello world. Okay, I'm clicking this button. That's it. Okay, it is displaying. Click me. You can able to see the output. Yes, if I click this particular button, immediately some alert will be shown. See, hello work. Everyone able to see the alert message?
Yeah.
It is nothing but in LWC it will be called as a toast notification. Okay, in LWC it will be called as a toast notification. Yeah, toast notification. That's it. Toast notification. Okay, like for example, I want to represent some date. You can mention input type is equal to date. Okay, like label. It's like date of birth. Input. You need to mention input type is equal to date. Okay, you can mention input type is equal to date. You can able to see. Everyone able to see input type is equal to date it is showing. Everyone able to see? Like this. Yes. Anyone have any queries on this? Vanilla, what I'm showing in the classes, everything it will be shared in the notepad file. Okay, what are the things, everything is been available in the notepad files, vanilla, the same thing it will be shared. I think integration notes you did not got, you will get. Okay, that particular notes. I think videos they will give they given access. Notes they did not given access, they will give it vanilla. No worries.
Okay, Venkat. Yeah.
Okay, what are the things which I'm teaching Vanilla? Every day today, the notes will be shared after completion of the class. Video will be uploaded within 2 to 3 hours, Vanilla.
Okay, Venkat. Yeah.
Yeah. Any queries to anyone on this? Any queries to anyone? Any queries? Swati, are you
No,
able to
Venkat.
answer?
No, yes, Venkat, completely. No
Yeah.
doubts.
And what about Michael, Mohammed, everyone? Everyone is clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
clear.
Venkat.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, then let me try to continue further. Okay, like I told you previously also, okay, we need to apply some CSS. Then only that particular page needs to be attractive. Okay, either in LWC also, we need to apply some CSS. Then only that particular page needs to be attractive and it will be makes attractive. Okay, CSS. CSS, full form of CSS is cascading style sheet. Okay, full form of HTML is a cascading style sheet. Okay, there are different types of stylings like inline styling, okay, internal styling and external styling. Okay, inline styling. So I'm saying again, internal styling is not been applied in CSS in LWC. Only inline styling and external styling. Okay, inline styling means I'll tell you. Inline styling means inside the HTML page. Okay, outside, like we'll create a separate CSS file. Okay, and we can design the styling. Inside the HTML, how we can apply? So H1. For example, this is the H1. Okay, you can assign like this. Okay, just we are creating the font size to 20 pixel. I'm color to red and the background color to okay like yellow. Like this, we can apply inline styling. Inline styling is will be different. External styling means we'll create a separate CSS file. Okay, we'll create a separate CSS file. How to create separate in LWC? No, I mean that in LWC automatically HTML, XML, and JavaScript we need to create it. Okay, here also we are creating my first page. Okay, I'm mentioning my second page dot HTML, and also I'm creating another HTML CSS. My second page dot CSS. Okay. And one thing I need to mainly concern the point, like in HTML, no need to interlink. In LWC, no need to interlink. HTML and CSS automatically it will be linked. Okay, but here we need to interlink. Okay, just normally I'm creating. Okay, I'm learning CSS. Okay, if you want to apply some font size, okay, you can apply from font size. Yeah, so for example, if you like everyone don't know CSS. Okay, if you want to know, okay, what is CSS? Just you need to navigate to W3 schools. So just we can copy it and we can use it in our in the things whatever it may be. So see everyone, text element center means the data will be represented center. Just only, just it the data will be represented center. Okay, like if color is equal to red, mostly we'll use color, font size. Okay, we'll use some of the tags. Okay, like we'll use color and font size and background color. Okay, these three things mostly will represent. Color represent the color. Font size means size of that appropriate font. Background color will represent these things. If you want to see the output. Okay, clicking on go live. Whenever you click on go live, immediately it is been connected to the my second page.html. Okay, here I did not display any text. How are you? Okay, you can able to see it. Yes, everyone able to see the data. It has been represented as like a background color by yellow and the color as a red, font size as 20 pixel. Everyone able to understand this? Hello?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah. CSS is somewhat tricky. So you can understand. No worries. No worries. Okay, just let me try to discuss some theoretical points. Okay, some theoretical points. Let me try to explain. Okay, like there are different types of selectors are available. Okay, there are different types of selectors are available. There are three types of selectors. Like we have element selector. Okay, we have element selector and also we have class selector and we have ID selector. Okay, like for example, if just imagine if it's element selector. Okay, if it's element selector. Okay, in HTML, if we indicate it like this. Okay, I am paragraph. Okay, if you apply CSS, okay, just you created CSS file and here from the CSS file you need to use a tag name. Okay, you need to use a tag name. I'm saying again. Okay, so you need to mention the color as a red and the font size. Okay, 40 pixel like this you need to mention. Okay, and if it's a class selector, okay, uniquely, for example, if you have multiple p tags, okay, if you have multiple p tags, okay, if you have multiple p tags, but first three p tags you need to apply. Okay, you need to mention p class is equal to a. Okay, like we have other p tags also, but we don't need to represent only for first or like only for some of the p tags you need to mention dot notation to represent in CSS. I need to use a dot notation. Okay, I need to use a dot notation. And another thing is ID selector. Okay, you need to represent item uniquely, whatever it may be. ID to represent any of the tag uniquely. Okay, you can use hash notation in CSS. This is the thing. Everyone is understanding what I'm showing you. Everyone is understanding. Am I audible to everyone? I'm not getting any response. Everyone is understanding what I'm showing, or it is somewhat tricky. Just I'm showing the selectors, how to represent the external styling. Yeah. Mohammed, are you understanding? Let us create some CSS. Then you can able to understand. I hope so.
Okay.
Is it difficult, Mohammed? How you are feeling? Mohammed,
Okay.
I'm not getting response. I'm getting okay only.
Yeah, I'm watching you.
Yeah, everything is okay, Mohammed.
Right, right. Here, so much sound is there. That's
Hmm? So much
noise from my
from
side.
my side. Okay, fine. Okay, just I want to create some CSS. Okay, just I'm applying the font size large. Okay, and font family. Everything it will be shown here mostly. Okay, color as like aqua. Okay, and background color. and tick white. Okay, like this. Just I'm mentioning. Okay, it is element selector. That's I'm using the tag name separately. You can able to see. See, just as compared to previous, anyone able to see? I did not represented the background color. I think aqua both are matching. Color green. The data is not matching. Let me try to change the font family. I'm reviewing the font family. Okay, I think even now it's also not showing. Okay, font size I'm mentioning as like a 40 pixel. Okay, I did not link the CSS with HTML. I told you. Okay, we need to interlink. Without interlinking, never it will be applied. Okay, in HTML, not in LWC. Style sheet href dot slash style dot css. Okay, just what is my CSS name? My second page dot css. Okay, you need to interlink. Then only it will be applied. If you did not interlink, means it will not be applied. Yeah. Now it will be applied. In LWC, no need of interlinking. Only in HTML, CSS, you need to interlink. Everyone able to see? Hi, this is HTML. Some data it is showing.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes,
Just
Venkat.
normal. For representation purpose, I'm showing one by one. Okay, if it's ID selector, you need to use div. ID is equal to user one. Okay, this is ID selector. Okay, if it's a class selector, you need to use a class. Okay, this is class 1. Class is equal to user 2. Okay, this is class 2. Just you are getting some familiarity. After completion of the class, I'll upload the notes. Once install the Visual Studio Code and everyone please practice once. ID means we are using vanilla. You are understanding the things? Vanilla. Vanilla.
Yeah, Venkat.
Is everything is okay?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm using hash user 1. Okay, background color I'm applying as like light blue. Okay, border style. You can apply the border style also. Solid. Okay, font family. Okay, I'm applying as like a Vardhana. Color. Okay, like I'm applying that. Yeah, this thing. And if it's a like ID selector means hash. If it's a class selector, we can use element. Italic. Okay, background color red. Color green. Like this, it will be represented. Just if it's a class selector, I'm representing with ID. Okay, if it's a ID selector, I'm representing with hash notation. Hash. Is everyone able to see the data? It is represented some bag like border.
Yes, Venkat.
Border. Just normally I applied some other tags. Yeah, in future let us discuss more. Just only how to apply some styling I'm showing you. That's it. Nothing other than that. How to apply some styling. That's it. Everyone is clear what I'm showing or it is any tricky? Okay, if you want to tick border, because if you want thick border, just imagine you can mention 2 pixel. See, it is decreased. I think you need to mention 0 pixel, 2 pixel. So border. Yes, it's like a thick border will get. If you mention 4 pixel, it will be increased. See, yeah, like this. This is it. Anyone have any queries on this? On CSS part? Only we are discussing the things which are related for our upcoming classes, useful things for LWC. Okay, I think hope everyone learned at least 10 to 15% today. Okay, today is our first class. First of all, don't feel fear. Okay, this is our first class. Only just for understanding purpose, I am showing the things. In future, let me try to discuss one by one, step by step. Only HTML, CSS. That's it. Anyone have any queries? Swati, have any queries? Are you able to
No,
understand?
yes, Venkat, I'm clear. I don't have any queries.
Yeah, okay, Swati. What about Michael? Michael. Michael,
Yeah,
are
Venkat.
you clear?
I'm not well.
Okay,
Just listening.
okay, Michael, okay. Pavani, are you able to clear the things? If you have any queries. I'm saying again, if anyone have any queries, like this, okay? Every day. Then, so easily you can understand the next day things. That is the thing I want to convey. Pavani and Vinila, any queries?
No, Venkat.
Are you able to understand?
Yeah, Venkat.
Link?
It's clear.
Okay, good, good, good. Shreyas and Mohammed, any queries?
No, Venkat.
Okay. What about Mohammed?
No, no.
Yeah, please practice. I'll upload the notes. What about Tanu? Tanu, are you clear, Tanu?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, fine. Okay, team, this is about today's class. Okay, so let us meet tomorrow at same timings. Tomorrow also there is a class at same timings. Okay, let us discuss JavaScript. LWC is not started. Tomorrow we'll start with JavaScript. Yeah, this is about today's class, team. Thank you, everyone. Today, tomorrow also at same timing, 7 a.m. Yeah, to 8 a.m. same timings.